Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up and use mobile hotspot on Android. So one of the ways that you can do that, make sure to turn on the cellular data so you can open up your personal hotspot, and that way you're going to be able to share your network with other people, right? Another way of doing it, you could just go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and make sure to, or basically download a hotspot, a personal hotspot, and set it up from your phone, right? You could go ahead and download the VPN Hotspot Shield, right? And then from there you can always use the fastest global VPN server, right? And get unlimited and secure connection. Okay, if you want to set up your own VPN, go ahead to the settings, general if you're using your phone, right? And try to pin down the VPN, right? So we're gonna try to pin down VPN somewhere right here. If I haven't, yeah, VPN right here, right? And make sure to go here and add the VPN configuration. That way you're gonna be able to set up your own hotspot, right? So basically download a third-party app to set up your own personal hotspot, or just turn on the cellular data and then go to your personal hotspot, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.